Hey there, and welcome to the gradient mode video for palette 2. At the end of this video, you'll be one step closer to creating amazing gradient mode prints. To begin a print in gradient mode, we select Print Modes, then Gradient Mode. We see a small description of what gradient mode is. Gradient mode allows palette to gradually change from input 1 to input 2, producing a gradient effect on your print. First, we select the starting and ending length of filament. This will be the biggest section of color for input 1 at the beginning and input 2 at the end. Next, we will choose the minimum length for the smallest section of color and the maximum length. Finally, we will choose the total print length. We suggest you take the total print length from your slicer and add a little bit extra length in order to allow the print to fully finish. We then select our material and whether or not we want to start a print with our printer or without a printer. If we select without a printer, the palette will create filament on its own, which can then be used with the printer at any time. Palette will now initialize and remind us to remove any excess filament in the outgoing tube. We will then be prompted to load our filaments. Once palette 2 has made enough filament to come out of the outgoing tube, we are prompted to grip the filament a few millimeters into the extruder gear. Once we select next, we are then instructed to clip the outgoing tube into the extruder clip like so. Now, we will load the filament into our extruder until we see our desired color. Once we select Finish, the palette will display how much filament has been used and the time elapsed during the current print, as well as the total splices. All we do next is simply start our print. As you can see here, we started with yellow filament on the bottom and will slowly shorten the yellow filament lengths and lengthen the red filament lengths in order to get a small gradient effect. This video showed you what it's like to print using gradient mode with your palette 2. To see a playlist that contains other palette 2 features, click here. For more instructional videos and information, check out the rest of our channel as well as the links in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment on the video or connect with us at support@mosaicmfg.com.